Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Um, First thing first, let's start right away because the opening is pretty fun. Oh, so, hi, Tavrams. Hi, Tavram is key. This is my goal overall, right here. We are in above the week of the new the fair value gap. Sorry, can I do go? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. So, I want to see this get above this fair value gap and use it as support to go higher. That's really it. For now, we're still within it, so I'm just really careful. Hmm. What else? All right. The 4 hour, that's our intraday time frame. As you can see, we're oh yuck. We're yuck, we yuck, we yuck. We're yuck. So yeah, I mean, like I said, we're literally just been consolidating. So it's been so trash, but again, I was confused 'cause I haven't streamed in a while. I haven't traded in like in a minute. Like in almost like I think like 4 days. So yeah. Again, so we're just in an icky situation right now. Um Current side is busy, which we are respecting. I kind of want to see it if we go lower to attack all this south side right here and previously low. So that's really what I'm looking for. What's the right here? As you can see, 15 minute now. This is where we're going to our intraday time frame. I want to see this get. Oh, hold on, guys. Let me just do real quick. So I want to see some sort of liquidity in our verse. You know, if I could see some nice space around here, then I'll get in. But I'm gonna wait till 9:50. I'm depending on the macros today. I'm not gonna push my limits as well just because I know it's no news, which is why I didn't trade yesterday. And I say 30. 8:30 right here. Wow, okay. As you can see, we're rejecting it. That's good. And we also have this 50 minutes per round again, basically, too. I kind of want to see it come back up one more time. Well, this is beautiful rejection. We're going to go again. I want to see it to just high at 9:30 and we go rush lower at 9:50. So yeah, that's really what I'm waiting for. I need to translate this all to my to this. I guess I gotta close my one. This is my draw, guys. All this right here. And it's previously low and all that. I don't think there's some teas. Let me take this out for a bit. Yeah, I want to see the second out. Yeah, I still want to stay above this. Let me just move it for a bit. So again, I go too messy. The rectangle, stupid. Oh my gosh, that's funny. But yeah, good morning. Price has been tough this whole week. I'm not the only one. Even traders who've been doing this for a while also say the same thing. It's been a little rough. Close the window, guys. The door. The window. I can't speak. That's how dumb I am. This is 19. Yeah, I'm close the window. I forgot about that. I didn't even put music. I haven't done this in a while. That's what I'm telling you. I feel a little out of place. If that's the word. Give me a second. I'll put some music. And of course, we got a freaking ad. It's Spanish. Okay. All right. Lock in, baby. Lock in. You just gotta make sure my stream's running out real quick. My bad. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. All right. Let's get it. So again, I am looking for this. This is my jaw. It's clean, but I need some. I need this taken out first, preferably, of course. What I want to see though is, hold up. Yeah, the 4 hours crazy. These are nice. I just realized we have a BP on the 1 hour. Oh, we do. I didn't even realize that. But yeah, I'm getting bearish, really. Especially because of the BPR. I didn't see it. I really didn't see it till now. Yeah, I'm leaning bearish for the session. And I'm targeting this right here. Right here. But the question is though, the $1 million question is, how are we gonna get there? So again guys, I do want to see this taken. And it's London low too. Yeah, like I said, I'm really leaning bearish. We're running the 2022 model slash. No, not really. Yeah, kinda. I really want to see that upper half hold ASAP Rocky. I'm gonna wait to 10. And it's previously low. Everything is really here. I just got a Mexican commercial about little gummy bears called panditas. It's so funny. Oh man. I'm really bearish. All right. Do we have any SMT or something? Not really. Again, we don't really have any SMTs. Yeah, that was a nice sweep. You see it right here. You see it? SMTs at the top. You guys see it? Right here. I'm doing the my analysis, guys. My bad. It's funny. Yeah, ES took an NQ there. Let's take away the sessions. Tokyo. Asian range. So yeah, I mean, I'm right now. I'm looking for really Asian low, London low. Sorry. I think I just want to see break through this. We don't have it 5 minutes in, so we do it. Yeah, we do. Yeah, I want to see this not close. We don't have it as a team. Yeah, my bad. We have it on 5 minutes though. Okay, we have a BPR on higher time frames right here. I want to see this hold for sure. We're running good. We're gonna stay below 50% of that wick. I think I just want to get this wick that is forming. It's confusing me. Oh shoot. Okay. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna turn on my lights. Sheesh. Again, I want to see that consequent question again. I mean, respect. Sorry. Where are we compared to yesterday's range? Again, I prefer not to just get perspective. It's a big opening. Weak opening gap. Yeah, we already checked on the weak opening gap. Wait, where's the other one? What's the tiny one? Okay, yeah. Oh, I got confused. I'm like, where's this other one from? Yeah, nothing crazy really. I'm actually gonna remove it. It's not really significant to me this week. Oh, never mind. We did the way around. Alright, we're just waiting now. So we did get into the sweep. Interesting enough, I wanted the rejection of that concept, that 50% level, and this is something I'm beginning to put into effect now. Um, what's called Jade kept us well he posted a video talking about the Asian range that if we're looking at trending Asian range that we should just take 50% of that and should respect it. You know? So putting everything into consideration. The only thing I just don't like is this, you know? I don't like that we respect this. If I'm really being honest. Yeah. Rain down. Oh shit. Oh dude. I can't see the problem. Rejection. Nice. Nice. Okay. We're getting some sort of rejection around that key level. We just created a BPR. I want to say we close them here. If you close below this, right here, then we could just pull back up to 50% of that. Oh man, that's looking so aggressive, bruh. Let me see the first presented. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, Tom, it's not a big range, but like I said, I prefer to see a closure below this. I'm waiting for this. I want to see another market structure shift lower. We are tapping into the civvy. Like I said, I wanted to see this get rejected from the concussion level. Now I just really want to see this. It's pretty low. Metron right here. I want to see a market structure up here to go short from. I'd rather send it to a minute. It's a little cleaner. Just in case. Okay, give me a sec, guys. I'm just logging into my account. Alright, we're good. Alright, we're good. Alright, we're coming into this version. I definitely want to see a thing. It's pretty low. Probably move to like good here. Yeah, it's worth it. I'll see. See what it does though. I'll see if I get any SNTs on the lower time frame or something. Yes, looking laggy. I want to see a leg break lower than this. 30% is holding up so far, which I don't like, I guess. If that's what I want to see another displacement lower. Well, ready to do here. In here will be a change to deliver. Alright, for starting, guys. Excuse me, guys. Again, I'm just waiting. I'm gonna see close below this, preferably. I don't like this. We're inside the macro though. This is why I didn't want to see. I didn't like this way, but whatever. Let's see what happens. I don't see respect this, please. The last week was crazy, dude. We have 7 minutes to this closure. How much just wait till 10? I really don't want to see it. I want to see a closure below this 50%. Wow, this is yucky, dude. Sheesh. Again, I'd rather just look for short. I'm not really interested in looking for longs. Nice rejection over the new week opening gap, but this is looking like an Excel set too. No resistance at least. I mean, yeah, I mean, that's really what I'm looking for. I'm just looking for shorts today. I'm not gonna take anything else. I want to see 50% of this weight code. I don't like it closing above it. Maybe we took previous week's high. Sorry, previous M15's week. Okay, we're getting some rejection now. This is nice. No, I just want to see a dump from here. I want to see break below here. Nice. I want to see no SMTs though. That's a thing, dude. What's a 2 minute looking like? You can't see previous. I want to see it get reverted and use again as the regular yeah. Last game, baby. Ugh, bro, that wig look nasty. 3 minutes. Let me just wait. I want to see what the 1 hour wants to do. Dax, that is crazy, bro. Look at this wig. I'm gonna lower the audio. Again, we don't really have a change to delivery. Technically, this is the auto block. Yeah, we're getting some space right now. I'm waiting for this market structure shift. I'm waiting to 10. Because we are getting S&Ts. I don't want to get S&Ts. That's why I'm really just paying attention to like the. Yeah, we're getting S&Ts. I want to see some follow through. I'm waiting to see. I'm really waiting to see this leg broken because it's like that took the thing, so this could now become a breaker. And I'm pretty sure by then we probably have a market structure, CISD. Yeah, we'll see. Ugh, the market looking trash again today, dude. I mean, today is kind of is expected. I'm gonna go with lower side today, of course. Oh, that's what I'm saying. Like, I want to see a closure below this, but then move first. We're having a closure below that first presented market structure, a true one. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a change sensor here by the time we hit it here too. This would also be the leg that broke that took the structure, the liquidity. Let me just wait. But I am looking for shorts. For sure. The way this market is going, I really wouldn't. I don't know. I'm going for London low. London low, basically. Yeah, it's already matched in my previous day's low and not the other extra liquidity points. Yeah, look at the 1 hour. We're about to close in a minute. Let's go, baby. Okay. I want to see it respect 50% of this level. We could come up again a little bit. I'm not really too against that, but I prefer not to, obviously. I definitely don't want to see it taking no more. I want to see it drop lower now. I'm gonna say quadrant. I would just really want to appreciate them from here if I'm really being honest. Let me remove that real quick. And I don't want to see respect this way. 'Alright, we have 10 a.m. open now. 10 to 11. If I don't see a trade by between this hour, I'm just gonna get out. I'm not trying to fight the market today. I'm not doing anything if I'm really being honest. not too many. It looks cleaner, that's why. We're still within this range. That's funny. Looking for colors that go look nice, eh? These are all distracting. Yeah, I'd rather see a closure below here, around here. Interesting. We came back to the wick of it. Look. All right. I want to see a drop now. Really. We're also tapping into this. Yeah, I want to start seeing displacement lower now. Nice. Yikes. want to see a breaker below this. I'm just waiting. It's already balanced. I don't really see it coming up here no more. I want to see a break to this. Excuse me. Beautiful rejection of that. I want to see rejection now. Mm. Mm. They're both looking crazy right now. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna be scalping if I take a trade. Market's way too trash right now. That's a huge stop. I gotta wait. What's in between these two levels? Price is trash. Price is straight doodoo. Straight doodoo for that. Yuck. I don't want to see this high yet again. Oh god. There's nothing really here like 9:30. Yep. Like I said, we were spinning that first presented. I'm not gonna get in. You get a break below it. Yeah, we were spinning that first presented too much. I'm not gonna get in. Yeah, I'm waiting, bro. I'm going to look at the 1 minute. Look at the 5 minute. Look at the 5 minute. Look at the 5. Oh, yuck. Yuck. Interesting. Yeah, I'm lower, bro, but I'm just waiting, really. I'm I'm just waiting. I gotta be careful that I don't see any ICT stuff. Sorry, it's bottom. We are getting SMTs again on the top of the M1s. What high? 1019. I mean, they don't really mean as much to me right now. Yeah, break it over, guys. There's nothing really for me to get in here. Where's the chicken? I'm waiting till 10:50. Again, I'm not getting into anything. There's really nothing for me. Yo, what up, Brody? What up, Mike? I haven't seen it in a minute. Sorry, dude. I don't have chat open because usually nobody's here, so it's like, there's no point. But what's up, man? Welcome. Give me a second. What up, Brody? I've been good, Mike. I've been good. How about you, my guy? Probably been trash, bro. It's so bad. It's ready, 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 ready. Tell me, you can't tell me, bro, that this right here, right? This price right here, right? Right? You can't tell me that this price does not look like this. Like this. Look at that. 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 Let me just help you out better. The visualization. What up, man? What up, Mike? How you been, Brody? You been studying or not? Oh yeah, man. What up? Let me go back to this. I'm bearish, by the way, if you're wondering. I need to see a rejection ASAP now. I already saw what I wanted to see. Like, I don't really think price should be coming up anymore. If we take it, then I don't know, bro. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. But I want to see a thumbnail. There's also a BPR. Move up, move down. That's how to change the delivery. Right there. Now, if you want to add another component to this, you take this to this. We're an OTE level. That's what I'm saying. I want to see a rejection now. I don't want to go higher anymore. Like, the Bulls been playing with us right now, like, it's cool. Like, you can do whatever you want, but like, if you don't do what I want to see, then there's no point in wanting to get trade. That's really what I'm winning around here, because this is the first percent right here. So by then we would break this, and hopefully we gotta change the delivery as well. Yeah, it looks like we should. But I'm gonna wait and see, because price has been so doo man. Like doo. I've been good, man. It's freaking choppy, yeah, bro. It's been disgusting. To be fair, bro, like, I was blaming myself, to be honest. A lot of it, like I was going through a mental crisis, bro. Mental crisis. But like, I don't know. I think like the other like the professionals, like, they've been getting chopped around. Dude. So like I just don't want to compare myself because I feel like I'm already putting them above me. But it's not that they're above me; they're just more experienced than me. So I don't want to think like, oh, just because they're wrong, like then I should be wrong. Because then that's limiting me myself, and I don't want to do that to myself. But but for now, like you can say you can do that because you know at the end of the day, they are better than me right now. So you gotta look up someone who's better than you. They've been getting chopped. They've been getting chopped around like crazy, dude. It's been nasty. But yeah, I'm just waiting for. This is my draw for today. Literally, this it. I don't really care too much about. Like I get to go here, lower, but like the problem with that is, bro, we don't have anything that right now that's telling that they want to go lower. Like the only thing that did tell us, if we're really being honest, is this drop. Like, boom, we took buy stops. 2022 model. This is you see how we have a fair value gap up here, and then we have a fair value gap down here. This is called a VPR, which when we have one fair value going up and then an immediate fair value going down through it. Think about it like a strong like knife cutting through the. So here we look bullish, right? And then boom, now we look bearish. Yeah, we also have a breaker right here. That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't want to see. Oh shoot! What the heck? What to do? What the heck? Hold up. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to see this thingy. Like the wicks is waking, which is I guess cool. It's normal for it, but it's just not ideal for me. Like I just don't want to see any rejection point. But yeah, like that's what I'm saying. Like around this level, bro, I need to see rejection. I need to. Because if we go higher and like you said, we inverses, bro, I'm not interested in taking long. I'm not good with longing after having such a strong bearish with a bias. I don't want to switch to longs just because this is validated. You know, I rather just wait for price to show me that it wants to go lower. You know, I just want to see price tell me, oh, it wants to go lower. Alright, cool. But yeah, man, it's been crazy. It's been crazy. I always been studying. I'm getting better. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I mean, it's a matter of time, dude. It's just the more you look at it, bro. Like the more you look at price, the more you're gonna start seeing things. That's just the nature, and then you're just gonna get more comfortable with losing because you know you've seen it so many times that when you're wrong, it's just just a probable cause that you're wrong. It's not that you're wrong. It's just that the market didn't play what you wanted to see. That we came back and took it. Dude. Was it 1 hour difference? Yeah, that one was like right. But yeah, man, it's been going crazy. It's been so bad. But that's what I'm saying. Like I'm thinking about just taking like 101, getting my little bread and butter, getting out. Cause do I expect the market to come all the way down here? This is by the way, but this is my easy jump. Long and lows. Remember I told you target long and lows, none high. In this scenario, I don't want to see it come up here. Like I told you, we have so many doors on the way up that I don't want to see it already. We go in the high time and then you will see the bigger picture. We're in a breaker, fair value gap, BPR, take a fib, just an extra confidence. We're in OTE. I don't want to see a closure but at all, at all. Like, and if I do, I need to see an immediate rejection like right away, or else I'm not gonna get no longer like confident. You know, like the best shorts, bro. You want to stay, like I said, you want to be in the best shorts. Take a fib from the higher time frame, fair value gap. You want to stay below this level, basically below this level, because the shorts just were really bearish. We're respecting the lower half of it. You know, like I said, wicks are fine, but they're just not. They're not ideal for me. Just because it just makes me want to like. The longer the move plays out for me to take, the less confident I begin to get in it. Yeah, dude, I'm just waiting for it to break lower, and if I don't get it by 10:50, I'm out, dude. There's no point. Price has been so garbage. It's been so freaking boring, price. I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, what happened? Yeah, I don't see my setup. I ain't taking. Yeah, exactly. Like I said, bro, the more you practice into this, the more you just naturally gonna. FOMO just ironically, bro, FOMO just kind of just goes away because, yeah, you know that feeling when you're not taking a trade, not like that gut feeling, like that. I'm just chasing price now. Something I am getting, I am doing now. This years, I'm gonna increase my size now for sure. You just begin to have confidence in in your the way you see price, you know, and yeah, I'm just beginning to increase my size, but I'm just waiting for this dude. Really, just this low, preferably this low, but I'm not demanding too much because I'm just depending. I just want to see this presented for better get now hold because you can't be holding it here and holding it here, and if you look at it, yeah, same thing, holding it here, 930. First presented for this is the volume balance right here. Here we see the price presented. Now look how much I'm respecting this again. You came down here and respected it. That's what I'm saying. Like if I want to see a break lower, I need to see basically something like boom. I'll get in from a fair value gap or something. I don't know, somewhere here, or just OTE of this level, this run, and then just continue lower. But by then, I would just need to wait. And also, by then, we also have a 5 minute change in delivery. Actually, no, I don't even know. This looks nasty. I would say this is the next change in delivery right here. But yeah, dude. How's your trade? How many? How do you trade, bro? Because I've been it's been rough for me, dude. I'm waiting for this. But I just prefer to see this broken if I'm really being up, dude. This will be the chance to deliver in the 5 minute. Um, Yikes. That's tough. How you trading me, my boy? Be honest with me. It's cool. Mine's been hard as hell, dude. I've been like a seven streak, I don't know, seven losing streak. So yeah, it's just been mentally draining. But the only thing we can do right now is just, I guess, lower risk, and then that's it. When the market gets low, but increase it again. Dip hurt. But I'm about to get out. Prices been so good. Okay, we got another sweep. Internal liquidity. This would be the change that like I said, price has been so dude. Yike. Look, you see, we're getting S&Ts here. So technically NQ is weaker in that sense for now. Temporarily at least. We just look at liquidity here. Bruh. I'm gonna wait till 1050. Literally just 1050. If I don't see anything at 1050, getting it. We kind of expected this price action too, you know? That's what I'm saying. I'm low more risk with too. What did I tell you, dude? Why did we expect this, right? Right? What if we're distracted? CPIs tomorrow. You know? CPIs tomorrow. And no news today. If you go to my Notion, when not to trade, days before the market was going to be choppy, okay, anytime Powell speaks, it's time to lower leverage, get your money and run. And it peed ahead of big news. The day after a holiday, expect a slow day. Like you see, this is really what's gonna stop me. We're also having an like look at this, dude. We already took out previous day highs as well. That's what I'm saying, bro. I'm just waiting for. Gosh, no, we didn't. Never mind. I'm stupid. I've been paper trading till I hit what? Till I hit 5,000 on my paper trading. I'm ready to start my funding account. Oh, okay. I paper traded for like I don't even know, dude. For like 6 months, 7 months. Because the thing is, bro, paper trading is yeah, like I said, it's cool. It's cool to start just practicing, train the minds and to see certain things. But it's not just the thing that you just gotta train. You gotta train the emotions, and then that's part where it really gonna kick you in, dog. Really gonna like shit. Help. But like you know, Bro, I'm telling you, just focus on seeing price. The money, like, it's just naturally gonna come because you just see it so many times. You just see this so many times. You're like, okay, you're not scared anymore because you know, like, okay, I missed a setup, cool. I know I'm gonna get one tomorrow, or I know I'm gonna get one in a few days. I don't know. It just comes down to being patient, dude. But this is where a lot of people will kill their accounts. Like resistance, I don't know, support. If you go above it, then it turns into resistance to go higher. I don't know. That's why I just wait. Not trading. Trend lines, you know? You know what I mean, dude? You know what I mean? But yeah, paper trading for sure is definitely better now than trying to go for funded. And it's also during these months, June, July, we expect a slow market because it's the summer and supposedly ICT says that they go on vacation. So, you know, they just leave the market getting built up for the what are they called? For the fall. Sorry. August is I heard well he says that August is the slowest month to be trading, but I don't know. I'll probably just lower leverage, but I'm still gonna trade it. That's what I do. Just really nothing for me. I guess that's probably like that's what I'm saying. Like when you get so many good practices in the market for such a long time, you expect certain things to happen, certain things now. You know, like for example, once we tapped into this, I wanted to say an immediate rejection, aka like once we tapped into this, after this taking this previous 15-minute high, and we're working the 15-minute fair value gap, encroachment, I wanted to see a dump, you know, and we didn't get that. We did not get that. So then we get this, you know. So we just wait now. We're just accumulating, I guess, but accumulation, distribution. Where's it going? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I don't know. I'm just waiting at this point, dude. I'm really just waiting, bro, because there's nothing for me to do. Like, I'm just going to a 1050 macro, bro. If I really don't see like a market share lower, then I'm just not gonna take a trade, bro. But yeah, what I mean, like Mike, like how you been doing? Like have you been winning or losing those paper trades? That's interesting though, because something I Jade Cap told us recently about to take the use the Asian range high and low to project moves. If you take this low from the 8 o'clock to the high of the Asian range, we're getting constant encroachment, which is I don't know if this is just crazy, but like we're rejecting that 50% of that. So he said if we get like just like for example, right? The Asian range is from 8 to 12, right? It will tell you how much distribution it could be there in a certain day. Usually he says in a normal day from like I think he's like 8 to 90%. I'm not sure. Don't quote me, but you could watch the video. He says that normally we stand within 2 standard deviations. So for example, right? Let's just say we're bearish, right? Let's say we're bearish, but this is the Asian range, right? The 8 to 12 thingy, right? Right? Let's just say this is Asian. Let's just say this is like this, right? Right here, something like that, right? And we're bullish, right? And then we take standard deviations, and let's just say, where is it? Where is it? Let's just say this is 1 standard deviation. This is 2 standard deviation. Basically, what a standard deviation is, like, if you take, like, I'll show you how they used to teach me in the dumb way. Copy and paste it, right? And then you bring it down. We bring it down, right? Negative 1 standard deviation, aka just project the move, basically, right? Right. Alright, but it's 2,000 for her, bro. Yeah, right? You see? Like, that's 1 standard deviation from the low, and then you copy another one that's 2 standard deviation, right? Alright, that's 2 standard deviations. Alright. Point is, Jade says that the manipulation move is basically gonna stand within here to here. So if we're bullish, all right, bullish, and we wanna, I don't know, we just have, let's just say we have equal highs, right? Equal highs, right? And these are nice to make it simple because equal highs are the easiest things to see compared to like London High London. It's just that's something for me. Like I wasn't. in the beginning, like I was not confident. I would only take thingy based on thingy, but then you start to see previous day low, previous day high, there's high draws. Whatever, that's gonna take time. Point is the Asian win, right? So this is the 8 to 12, we consolidating win, right? Then you said we go up, whatever. Jade says that price will drop towards 1 or 2 standard deviations, and then what's gonna happen? What do you expect? Market structure shift higher, go higher to attack whatever you want to attack, whatever this is, or higher your previous is high, or whatever. You know what I mean? But point is, what he's telling is like the Asian range will project the move to the manipulation leg. I'll give you guys an example. Like last week doesn't count. Last week has been crazy. It's been just been an outlier, but let's just go to another a random. Let's just go a few where price wasn't as bad, right? Okay, I think this was news. I think this was news. But point is, look, you see, this is the one I'm saying about. Usually, it will stay within 1 to 2, but he says that at the like at an outlier type of day, it'll go within 3 to 4, and then that's really. I think this was news. I don't know. I'll go check. 30. January, February, March, April. April. Okay. Oh shit. I don't know how to count. Months. January, February, March, April. 38. 10. Yeah, this was news. Yeah, it was news. And then we reversed if we were gonna have a bullish. And you see how these like relatively equal. But here, I'll give you another example here. We're bullish today, right? We take this range. This is what these lines are. That's the standard deviation. Look what happens. We drop to 1 standard deviation and then higher. Obviously, we look for continuation here somewhere. But because again, this makes sense because logically speaking, London will create the low on a bullish test. That's what I'm saying. Like it'll create it within one. That's why you don't expect no more to like come down here. What else? But you gotta know the bias. At the end of the day, this does not help if you do not know the bias. Here we're bearish, I guess. No, I'll give you another. The thing is, you gotta know like this is chop, bro. You want to be in the outer layers of market. When we're in the trending Asian range, you say just take half of it and pressure respect it. But yeah, you need narrative at the end of the day. You know, just because I say it doesn't mean it's gonna happen because we still need narrative. We're still gonna need where the price wants to go. Like I said, I want price to go lower, and this could be using the you could be trading the manipulation like in a way as well and still be right. But what I'm looking at right now is just really this. We're rejecting this, and then my draw is here, guys. That's what I'm saying. You gotta know where your draw is in the first step is know where your draw is. You can't get in the market if you don't know what you're looking for. If you look at the daily, this is previous day low. That's why I'm looking for it. We also have relative equal lows, like a whole bunch of extra stuff. We also have I think that NFP was Friday, right? Oh no, I think we took it already. Oh no, we did it. Mm-mm. That's what I'm saying. My draw is really lower for now. Like the thing is, no reason for me to go high right now. Especially in the intraday sessions, like we already took out this and we merely dropped. So I don't want to see. I don't want to see much. Thank you. That's crazy though. I have been winning. Following my rules a lot. They really pay a huge part. Yeah, just waiting. Dude. But like I said, bro, like there's nothing wrong with that. Like I feel like demonstrating just to begin to train the eyes to see what you want to see and like how you want to see it. But to align the other half of that, which is the emotional part, is you gotta step into the fun bit as well. To kind of get numb, you know, you begin to get numb. Of, for me, for example, it's like kind of get I got numb slash mad at losing. So I just got tired of it. Well, I'm not gonna say like I've been there, I'm here now, but like you kind of just get tired of it. You just get tired of it. Like, okay, bro, like I'm tired of my own patterns now. Like, come on, bro. Like, just wait now. And then you eventually begin to use the psychological part as well. That's crazy. I see that in the 5 minute. Yeah, I don't want to try this. And ES is stronger too. So I want to trade the weaker one. Why is this the weaker one? Look at this. We still haven't taken out this high. Look at NQ. Look at ES. But the problem with that, I realized, bro, like when this is too strong, when ES is too strong, it's gonna cause it like this one's gonna be so strong that so it's gonna cause this one to go lower as well with conviction. It's gonna chop around a lot and then drop, and then I don't like that. Start respecting this revenge again. Again, I'm not gonna get in until 1050. 1050 is literally it until 11. This is my last loan to look for lower prices. If I don't get in, I'm not gonna trade it. Tomorrow's at SCPI, so you know, just gotta watch out for that one too. And my risk range is freaking crazy, but I'm never risking more than 150. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, especially on a 50k. If you're taking a 50k, but let me tell you, bro, like 50k, like it's really all you need to start up, you know. And then, but that's what I'm saying, bro. Like once you understand price and once you understand what like certain conditions and certain probabilities, like it just becomes what's the word? Like it's the same thing as taking 100k. You're just gonna lower your risk, obviously, according to whatever 1% of that or half a percentage that is, you know. But you kind of like begin to do the same stuff for the money. Like it's still gonna be a part of it, but now you're like, okay, like money is just a number. At the end of the day, price is what I should be focused on. Stuff. That's what they say. Like money comes after. Money would just be a factor of you reading price and knowing when to take trades or not. But yeah, I was coming in regardless. Even before they started doing this, I already had a feeling because of news. I already expected this type of action today. That oh shit. You see, no news. CPIs tomorrow. This is where the big boys are gonna be playing it. This is where you're gonna see momentum. Actually, hold up. Let me copy and paste this. I always say this, dude. That's what I'm saying. Always have your. Always have your. I'll show you what I have. I think I showed this already, right? I have this on the screen. Yeah. But if you're right about the emotions, so I can get ready, I have to go throw it in. Everybody goes through. Yeah, yeah, bro. Everybody goes through the same thing, bro. Everybody. Unless you're like some special, and I mean in a good way, obviously. If you're a special type of human, like you're so you could say disciplined and nonchalant with anything, then yeah, I guess you get it within 6 months, but you don't have to be special to win here, bro. You just have to follow your rules. You just have to be consistent though. You know, you don't have to be the smartest guy, bro. You don't have to. Be patient. Be patient, and you know, it will come. At the end, all we training ourselves to see is patterns. Really, just the patterns under certain conditions. When do we expect the things, and when do we not? That's what I'm saying. Like half of the batters, when no, when to trade, and the other ones when not to trade. AKA, we don't want to trade today. We might not even want to trade tomorrow if you're kind of like I guess new to it. But after, not before. Because usually this high will be the draw. If we take the high, then we go for the low. And again, it depends on how the market forms. I can't say that's gonna happen because you know we don't know. It's just the way how market is gonna develop itself during that time. Like I said, if we close above this or even 50% above, I'm not interested in it anymore. I wanted to see lower. Previous day low, London low, equal lows. You see, like, and we're within the 1 to 2 projection mode. So even if we go higher, right? Let's just say we go higher, but I just don't want to go lower first. As you said, we do end up going here to take out again the previous day's high. I wanted to go at least here. Why? Because I told you within 1 to 2 standard deviations, which I can still trade this range. But it's not just trading towards it. It's knowing that we have a SIBI, we have a breaker, we have a fair value, we have an inversion, we have a BPR. Like it just comes into consideration what you want to do. in time. Time. It's 9:30. We took this high. I wanted to see this place lower. I don't want to start seeing going higher, and then we could go lower later on, but time will stop me. Taking them. I run it on 1050 macro. I'm even tempted not to even take this trade anymore at 1050, even if we go lower, just because I don't know. My easy macro is a 950 snap 10 macro. But I'll mark it down. Hold on. Like, I want to see something. We have a market share, but these are equal lows. We could just take this and go lower. I would need to see strong displacement to this. It's just not worth it. Cause it's like bro, let's be honest, bro. What are the chances of this going all the way down here now? Like even past this? If it hasn't done it in how long? If it hasn't gone down in almost an hour, right? Why do we think it's gonna go lower here within 20-minute interval? Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense to me. But we do have a fair value gap here. But someone's at my door. Honey, get the Glock. No, I'm just kidding. Technically, this will be a market structure, but I will need a strong closure because this could just be a sweep and go higher. I went to 1050 macro, guys. Let's see what happens. This ES is doing what it wants to do. And it's already closing above it, which I don't like. Like I said, I didn't want to see that. Technically the stronger one, but okay, we're getting this place back. I want to get this in through here and a closure, and then I could just get in from OTE or like I don't know, depending on how much we drop it. Preferably up to here. And then I would go for I don't know. I'll see. Cause the thing is it could come here and respect it again. Or it could just wicked. I'll probably just move to break even really if I'm being honest. Like if we get a nice displacement that like I would just probably move to break even. ES is still respecting that one. Let me put the 1050 timing. You try my observations. And let's see what happens. How your friend been doing with trading? I haven't talked to him, bro. They switched up on me. They switched up on me like, nah, I don't speak Spanish. I'm like, damn, bro, you gonna do me like that, bro? For real? I thought we were. It's cool though. I'm just playing. I don't know. I haven't spoken to him, dude. I don't know. I don't like this. I don't like that. I want to see him move. As soon as his handle hit the 50%. I want to see a rejection. I didn't see that. Like I said, bro, this is my like. I'm telling you, when you just see price for so long and you just expect certain things because you know they come. Uh, yeah, you just wait. You just wait and then you're like, okay, that didn't happen here, so like, bro, whatever. Yeah, bro, this is so nasty. I'm not even gonna take a trade, bro. I'm really being honest, bro. I don't want to take a trade. We already tried this. IFPG. I'm one. I would rather see a nice strong closure below here. We're getting slightly lower than the macro, which is really okay. Okay, yes, sir. I want to see that. Alright, bro, come on, close. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, come on, bro. Don't do that. Oh, shit. I almost on the wrong one. Oh, bro, I don't like this immediate rejection. Bro. Let's see how we get here. I'm probably getting from working. My limit was probably stop B. It's a little one. That's too much. Did we just say where to though? Did get a closure bro here? I'm seeing Q. Oh, okay, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna get in. ESS inverted there. Oh, I want to start seeing displacement now though. Kind of feels like a little. What's the word? Taking me back to the first percentage is really my. I'm write it down. Here's a tiny fair value gap right here. But I don't want to see that. They traded if I can. You see displacement. You see a market structure shift here. I just don't like that we didn't close too convincingly over it. Uh, nice, cool. Moving to break even. Actually, not moving to here. Lower my risk. This is really just my draw, the first presented. And I'm saying, like, when you begin to understand, like, when you should move your stop, it's like, okay, cool. Like, technically shouldn't really be have come up here, but Christmas over here. Yeah, it really isn't worth it. Cool, I'm gonna close. Take yes. Mm. Yeah, I'm going to break even. Uh, what the tabs am I getting out? I'm just going for a 1-to-1. Really nothing crazy. I'm going to break even, so I don't really care at this point what we do. The point of the macro is to be quick, you know, not to be playing around too much. This will technically be a breakaway gap. It really is gonna sip. So I don't really want to see price come out. I just want to see tap in is over. It's like the shit because of the macro. The macro will push price. But it just increases the probability as well that the macro will begin to play out. Bruh. Bruh. I'm gonna just have to break even. Oh wow. Hey, I'm saved. Yippee. Ew, no. No, 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 no. It inverted this. Yikes. There we go. Stop the break even. There. I'm done. I want to see prices reject and go lower. It didn't do that. I'm done. I'm gonna wait till like 10. Like, what's it called? I'm gonna see a little bit. Maybe my stop should have been here, both these candles. This is the order block. We'll see. But look at ES. I'll show you guys what ES is looking like right now. This is NQ. This is ES. You see? Like, that's what I said. I wanted to see a rejection from here. Yeah, invert this down. So I gotta see come back down quickly. This prevailing gap. Maybe my stop should have been here above these two favorite order block. Yeah, I guess. But whatever, let's see. This is now a fair value gap here. I want to see this get inverted ASAP, Rocky. Ideally, price should not be coming through here, above here no more. Because then we would have changed in delivery, and then yeah, not good, not good, not good, not good. I want to see this reject now. If it's gonna reject, because now this is what this is looking like to me. It's looking like an inversion that wants to hold up. After taking south stop, we could go higher now. You see, that's what I'm saying. Like I want to see move straight strong, because now this could just been a move to go up higher now. Think about it like this: it just went lower to tweak out sell stops, minor sell stops. That's what I'm saying. Like I moved quickly. My what do you call it? My You see, now we can go higher now from here to go higher, but I'm not interested in going higher today. Like, there's nothing for me to go higher from. Yeah, I would have stopped down there. I wanted to say move lower quickly. How? Oh, I think I read that already. But yeah, dude, I'm just now. Hey, what the hell? Why is not changing color? You see, I'm not looking for long, dude. I am done for the day. I am done. The thing is, the the macro will tell you the time, like the speed within it should happen. If you're right, it will most likely happen quickly because it's an algo. It's timed, you know, so it's running on certain time condition. But yeah, bro, guys, I'll see you guys. I had a break even trade. I moved quickly. I'm glad I did. I'm glad I did. This should have been lower. If we were gonna go lower, should have gone lower faster. This was my job, really. We were just like a tick or two. I was just taking one on ones because it's just not. Yeah, 3 ticks, but it's fine. All right, guys. I'll see you boys tomorrow. Tomorrow is CPI, so hopefully we do catch some better.